All right, evaluating expressions and the order of operations. So remember order of operations. We have our PEMDAS. We have to take care of our parentheses, then our exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and then addition and subtraction is last. All right, so we have x plus y. 11 plus 4 divided by 5. Okay, this one is kind of messes people up sometimes because it doesn't necessarily follow PEMDAS in an order that if we were just following, well, it's saying I need to divide 11 by 5, then add 4. Well, that actually isn't the case because a fraction bar acts as a grouping symbol. So it kind of makes you think of it like that. Fraction bar acts as a grouping symbol. So I need to take care of what's up here first. Okay, so I have 11 plus 4, that's 15. So I took care of the parentheses. A grouping symbol is a fraction bar. Okay, and then I'm going to divide by 5. So I end up with 3. Okay. All right, so I have x squared times y. So I got to take care of this exponent first, then multiply by the y. So x is squared. That means negative 2 is squared times y. So I'm going to apply the exponent. Negative 2 squared, that's negative 2 times a negative 2. So that's a positive 4. And then we have to multiply it by that 4. Then you get 16. Okay. This one was 3. All right, let's see here. A minus C times D. So I have A, which is negative 2, minus, I have C, which is 5, times D, which is negative 3. All right, we can't do the subtraction right now. There is subtraction. We need to do this multiplication first. So I have negative 2 minus 5 times a negative 3 is a negative 15. So a negative 2 minus a negative 15 is the same as negative 2. This is like a big plus, plus 15. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So this is going to be 13. Okay. All right, here I have P plus Q squared. So we need to do what's inside the parentheses first, which is actually addition, okay? So P plus Q. So I have negative 5 plus a negative 2, and then we're going to square it. Negative 5 plus negative 2 is negative 7 squared. Now remember, this quantity squared is negative 7 times negative 7, which is a positive 49. Right? All right, evaluate the expression. All right, so let's see. We have x squared, so that's going to be 4 squared plus 12 times z, z is negative 3, minus 4 times y, y is negative 2. Okay, so 4 squared, straightforward, 16. Plus 12 times a negative 3. So that's going to be a negative 36. And then we could think of this as, the way I do it is I say this is negative 4 times a negative 2, because I just think of this as plus a negative. Negative 4 times a negative 2 is a positive 8. Or you could have done it this way, and either way is going to get you the same answer. We could think of it as minus a 4 times a negative 2. Well, 4 times a negative 2 is negative 8. And you end up with minus a negative 8, which is the same as plus 8. So I just cut that out and just think of it as negative 4 times a negative 2. But you'll end up with the same answer. All right. So I have 16 plus a negative 36 is negative 20 plus 8 is a negative 12.